So correction on the previous sample right there. So this would be an alternative to the older library facilities which using the data output stream. Specifically, we can shorten this by switching to the files utility class and using new output stream, and you have to pass the file path, and you can combine options by using the comma separated list of these options. Okay, so this should do exactly the same thing as before, and of course I need to import the paths. Okay, all right, good enough. So this should become just an output stream. Okay, so I will not remove it, I will just comment out the original version of it and then use simply the output stream interface. Output stream interface. Output stream interface. Let me see what. Okay, so once I fix all of the imports, then it should work. And then output stream, and then what's happening here? It tells me a few other problems. Cannot find symbols. All right. I was trying to demonstrate it with the same program, but you do need the data output stream in order to use all of these methods to make it work in the output stream fashion. So therefore, unfortunately, this was just a demo of using these options, but clearly, you know, we've looked at this documentation here, and the output stream, new output stream right there. It's okay to create it, but then what's not possible basically is that you cannot use write, byte, and so forth. All there is to write an array of bytes, write an integer, and write a byte. So this is really just limited in terms of what you can do with this. It's just essentially it can write an integer, right, writes the specified byte to this output stream, and it's an integer represents the byte encoding, or you can just write an array of bytes. So this is really limited in terms of what you can do with it. So that's okay. I am going to revert back to the way this program was written originally, but at least we demonstrated how you can use essentially different modes, and then essentially you're on your own. I mean, you have to really know how to convert your integers to bytes and so forth. Directory string. Now what's wrong? Let me just fix my imports once again, because it deletes some of these imports automatically. So now they're back. Okay. I'm not going to talk about this anymore. I guess you know, I was happy with the way the original program was written. So other options do exist, but they come with certain limitations, and you need to be able to navigate through all of the possibilities and choose whatever is best for your task. So okay. All right, so here's the write method obviously being used. And that concludes our presentation on binary files.